In this video, I'm going to show you a setting that's going to help you record meetings you join on Arattai, simple and easy. So what you need to do is tap on the hamburger menu, top left corner of your screen, just tap on that there, tap on the settings too as well, and you scroll to the bottom here. And here what you need to do is you select your calls and meetings, tap on that, good, and you can see the recordings option there. So here you record every meeting you host automatically. I think in my video on how to create a meeting on Arattai, I think I added that there. So to prevent you from selecting that always, you just need to turn this setting on. So automatically you're just going to record every meeting you host on Arattai. So if you are not the one hosting the meeting, I think you need to ask permission before you do that. So it depends on the person that creates the meeting. If the person is going to give access to that, if the person doesn't give access to that, you can't do that. So in this case, they'll have to record it and then send it to you that you joined, something like that. So that's it on how you record meetings on Arattai. If you're new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.